Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you my Club Factory free gift that I received with my order. So I ordered one long chain necklace and I got to choose the free gift from 6 options. So I selected crystal flowers with necklace. So the necklaces came in this packaging. This was the outer packaging and the jewelry pieces were safely secured in this one. So this is the long chain necklace that I purchased. So you can wear it either this way and you can adjust your size however you want it. You can also wear these as a bracelet. Let me show you. So you can also wear it like this, like a bracelet. So guys, this is the necklace that I selected and this is really beautiful, you can see. And this also has multiple uses, like you can also wear this one as bracelet. Let me just show you. Like this, it will really look so cool. If you don't wanna wear this like a neck piece or choker, you can also take out individual pieces and you can make your own new jewelry using this. That's it for this video, and if you wanna be notified with the deals and such things, like, share and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Be strong and keep smiling. Bye.